Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited today. Today it's unboxing video. I just got home from work. I've been up since 5 o'clock in the morning because I do work at 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'm really excited. I cannot wait to unbox it before I'm gonna go to bed tonight. So yay! So today we're gonna do an unboxing for my Ipsy glambagplus for this month. So I'm really excited. And okay, let's start the unboxing. Okay everyone, let's do the unboxing. This is my favorite time when it comes to unboxing. So this is what's look like the box, and when you open it, discover yourself that, and that's what's look like inside the box. And also you have this paper, this, and on the back, and all the product is right here. So first is this honey, hey honey, take away the drama, youth boasting honey and copper peel up must. Very cute packaging, really nice packaging. And when you open it, I'm so excited, and this is what's look like. Okay, do that. Next is this Nasafic fresh herb origin eye cream. Ooh, my favorite. I love eye cream. So this is what's look like, guys. Eye cream, really nice packaging. And when you open it, it's sealed. Okay, this is what's look like. Open that, and this is what's look like the eye cream. Oh, I love eye cream, so I'm really excited about this eye cream. Next is this Dr. brand luminizer primer. This is amazing beauty product, Dr. brand. I love this brand, super nice brand. And when you open it, this is what's look like the luminizer primer. Really cute primer. Okay, next is Saturn Super Acne Treatment Mask. I'm so excited at this one too. I got a lot of masks today. I got a lot of masks this month. It says Super Acne Treatment Mask. Ooh, I'm so excited about this one. Of course, it's still sealed. Next is Huda Beauty, the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. Let's open it, guys. Oh, my hands is so dry because I keep washing all the time. And there you go. This is what's look like the sponge. Oh, I'm so excited. This is perfect because my old sponge is like, I don't know, it's getting old already, so this is perfect. So I have a new sponge applicator, beauty blender, whatever you call that. So that. Next is this Pixie by Petra Lash Lift 188. Oh, mascara. I'm so excited. This is mascara. Really cute packaging, like green. mint green. Oh my god, the applicator is so pretty. The applicator is so pretty. I like that. Really nice applicator. I'm gonna use it tomorrow. I'm excited. So we get new mascara. I'm excited. I love mascara. And next is another liquid eyeliner. I love liquid eyeliner. This is Araceli Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. Super cute. Oh, I'm so excited. And oh my god, super thin. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, yay, I got another liquid eyeliner. I love liquid eyeliner. And last is this beautiful pouch. Really cute pouch, very colorful, and I love the packaging. It's a lady lying down on the like a blanket. Super cute. Pouch, little pouch. Oh my god, it's so excited. So yeah, that's all we got for my Ipsy Plus for this month. Really excited all of this product that I got for this month. Okay, I cannot wait to try all of this beauty product that I got for this month, especially the eye cream. I do love eye cream. I cannot go to sleep before applying eye cream, so I definitely am really excited to use this. And also the primer. I love this brand. This is amazing beauty product, really nice brand. And also this Saturn Sol for acne treatment mask. I do love mask too. I love mask. And also I'm excited about this Pixie by Petra lash lift mascara. I'm so excited. I cannot wait till tomorrow to try it on tomorrow for my eyelashes. And also this Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. Ooh, I love mask. I do love mask, so I'm really excited about this too. And also everything is my favorite. And also I'm excited to use this Huda Beauty, the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. They call it something like that. It's long. Whatever they called it. And also, oh my god, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try it on tomorrow. I do love liquid eyeliner, so I got another liquid eyeliner, new liquid eyeliner. I cannot wait to play with it tomorrow. I'm gonna use it tomorrow. This is the Araceli Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. Never heard of it, but it looks so beautiful liquid eyeliner. And also the pouch is super cute, really cute pouch. So I'm so excited to play all of this beauty product that I get for this month. Okay, that's it for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for this month. I cannot wait to play with this. I cannot wait to play all of this. I'm so excited. So that's it for my unboxing, everyone. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe so that you won't miss my all of my videos. That's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, everyone. Bye.